Let me start with a true story which happened when I was called for a lecture on sales leadership skills in a mid-sized company selling air conditioning solutions. Most of them were young engineering graduates, either just out of college or having an experience of few months to a year. During a coffee break, I was chatting with some of them and asked them, "Do you like your job?" There was one guy whose name was Samir. With a wide smile, he said, "I love my job." I probed further, "What do you mean you love your job?" Samir came out with an interesting explanation. "You know, the organization I worked for before this one, I lasted there only for 6 months. My manager always barked at me, telling me how I need to work hard and not spend time talking to others." It was not just him, but the other head of departments too, who never had any encouraging words to say. We were always looking at our watches, eager to go home, or rather to run away from the stifling atmosphere, which was like an unnecessary stress for us. In the company bus, we whispered jokes on our managers. But in this organization, not only our managers, but other senior people are not only willing to help out, going out of the way to make our jobs interesting, but by guiding us and sharing case studies, which make our job not only interesting but exciting. We love being here at work and also participate actively in projects. This is where the leadership makes a difference, as they create an ambience which makes workplace a happy world where people enjoy what they are doing. Here, the paycheck is not so important versus the work culture. Does just liking your job help you to succeed? Steve Jobs stood in front of the 2005 Stanford graduating class and said, "The only way to get great work is to love what you do." But how does enjoying your work really lead to the success in workplace? Being happy at work and loving what you do is an overall productivity booster and enhances performance. People who enjoy their jobs are more likely to be optimistic, motivated, they learn faster and make fewer mistakes and make better business decisions. This also generates a positive mindset. Positivity is pertinent to success. According to Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, a distinguished Hungarian psychologist, being able to enjoy your work is the main factor in getting into a state of flow. What is flow? The experience you have when you are in the zone. You feel fully focused, creative, and ideas are flowing freely. This means that every time you are given a task and you view it negatively, this mindset is already making it harder for you to complete your work. Doing work you love is energizing and creates a positive feedback loop that fuels productivity. Your passion for work energizes you and vice versa, giving you more fuel to put towards success. The trick is figuring out how to make yourself love your work, even the most tedious of tasks. Csikszentmihalyi discovered that once you take on a task with a positive mindset and think of the benefits you can reap from completing this project, your work is more likely to happen in a steady, concentrated flow. Being in this state of mind means you will be highly focused and fully absorbed in the task at hand, just as you would be while doing something you really enjoy. Being able to devote yourself to a task and give it your all will make you more productive and knowledgeable, leading you towards success at work. Other factor is passion. Passion is not only which drives you to enjoy your work, but helps in overcoming obstacles in a workplace as well. Anytime you hit a bump in the road or begin to doubt your abilities, remember the positive effects of work you are doing. This persistence will lead to quality work that elevates you and brings you that much closer to your next goal. Use that drive and motivation as fuel towards your next checkpoint to success. Finding passion for everyday tasks, an overall positive and passionate mindset can be difficult to enact while completing tedious assignments. To change the way you think, you must also change the way you work. Find a significance in your efforts, live the vision of your organization, work with your colleagues, and in turn, you can encourage positive change and take one step closer to success. Every company has a mission or a vision that they work to achieve, whether it's clothing the homeless or creating happy, loyal customers while keeping costs down for the organization. Raising your significance by working towards a common goal will keep your path towards success. By seeing your part in the big picture and realizing your worth, positivity and passion come naturally. As you become more connected with your workplace and core workers, begin to encourage positive change around you by asking yourself, what can I do to improve this? Immersing yourself in your work will help cultivate a passion for your duties. Add this passion on top of making personal responsibility for making your company more successful, and your engagement will increase greatly along with your job satisfaction. The mindset you choose to make when the work is very important. Be conscious of the benefits you're creating for yourself and think positively. In turn, work will become more enjoyable and easier to master on the road to success.